Hi everybody, this video is inspired by Kim Petras from the cover of her Slut Pop album, or EP, whichever it is. I love this look on Kim, and I was in Urban Outfitters the other day and saw the vinyl of Slut Pop, and I was like, I live for that look, and realized I haven't added her to my Trans Icon series. I obviously have to. I believe her and I started transitioning around the same time. I've been following her for years. I remember her music like way back in the day, like One Piece of Tape was my jam. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means more to me than I can ever put into words, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, going in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. I'll be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Cremated palette as well as the Mini Breaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I will be using Louise Base all over the eyes. And then I will go ahead and I will take Grave Digger, and that's a very, very dark gray color. And I will start to apply that on the outer portion of the eye, building up that dark smoky eye. So I'm going ahead and applying that almost fully into the eyelid, like to the inner corner, but not exactly. And then I'm taking Hearse from that palette as well too, and I will be applying that kind of in this shape here. I don't really know how to explain it, but I want to make sure that it is not really winged out, but more so like really pulled out. Really smoky, really smudgy. I'm going to be blending that out. And then I did add in some lighter gray color to further blend out after the color Life Insurance I added. Just make sure you get a nice blend for these. Just go back and forth, and it does take a while, but it does pay off. That's when you're going to take that lighter gray color and further blend that out. On my brow bone, I use Deathblow. On my inner corner, I use Deathblow. On my lid, though, I used the color Oral from the Mini Breaker palette. And that color is like a duochrome blue purple. So I wanted to have, obviously I wanted to have that finish on the eye that Kim had, you know, to really give the full illusion. So it is going ahead and packing that on, and then just blending that out even further. And if your blend gets too far up, you can take the brow bone color a bit and just fan that down. Then making sure everything is nice and blended. We want to make sure that it is, like I said, nice, smudgy, smoky eye. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and clean up with a makeup wipe. And I use the Kirkland makeup wipes. These are from Costco. Actually, I think I'm using a Hello Kitty one right now. I lied. It's the Cream Shop and Hello Kitty. It's in orange packaging, if I'm not mistaken. Then I'm using the e.l.f. H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen. I don't mind this. Just make sure that you give it a really good shake when you're using it. And I am using some Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara. And then I will apply eyelashes. And spraying my face with the Cream Shop and Hello Kitty Makeup Perfecting Mist, which is a primer and a setting spray. Honestly, like, I don't really know that it does much for priming, but it just really smells delish, so I've been using it. But you can stick to your usual primer or whatever you want. Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer on the forehead, chin, upper lip, and under the eyes. Really canceling out anything that has discoloration or darkness. And I blend out under my eyes with my fingers to make sure that there's more coverage. More of a smooth kind of blend, and I find it more controlled as well too. My fingers have always been my most used tool in my kit when I was working as a makeup artist and hairstylist. So yeah, going ahead and applying the L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation all over the face with this makeup brush. This is by Real Techniques, and just applying that all over, then going back in with a sponge and blending everything out to get rid of brush streaks or anything like that. And after that, I will be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Peach Escape Liquid Blush. Love this. It is beautiful. It is from the mystery box. I do have a mystery box opening coming, or it's already posted depending on when you're watching this. And then I have the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in the color Light. Applying that all over the perimeter of my merg. And then I will be using the MAC Studio Fix powder, the white color under my eyes, and then the skin color. I don't know what I was going to say. I think I was going to say NC15, NW15. I think it's NC15 all over my face. That's just added coverage. And I love a really bright light under eye. When I'm out of the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, I will probably go back for a white concealer under the eye. I just love how that looks. And for setting the phase, I will be using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. And I actually really like this. I just wish it came in a better container, just because it's a bit tedious to have to take it out of that little circle, put it on, go back in, get more, go back in, get more. I use a lot of powder, so. Then the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Omega Bronze. And then I'm wearing the Sheglam Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush on my cheeks. For under my eyes, I'm using the Made by Mitchell Black Track All Smudge No Budge eyeliner. And then I'm going in with that black color Hearse from the Cremated palette. And blending that out with my finger. I find under my eyes is easiest blended with my finger. My lips, I'll be going in with the Crown Case Hot Pink Lip Liner. These did not have a name when I purchased them. It's been years since I purchased them, so they probably have names now, but back in the day they did not. So I'm using that, and then I'll be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Pink Religion Velvet Trap Lipstick and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Pink Vault Supreme Gloss. I got a lot of compliments on this lip, and I love how it turned out. So I definitely wanted to create something that kind of replicated Kim's lip color. This might be a bit more opaque, but I still love it. Obsessed. Then I used that Makeup Perfecting Mist again. And the hair is so simple. It is straight down the middle, just using a little bit of a wax stick. And then I'll be going ahead and pressing it with a hot comb to slick it down. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.